Short data approximately mesothelioma cell types. Epithelioid cells make up greater than half of mesothelioma diagnoses and have a better prognosis than the alternative mobile sorts. According to the Yank Cancer Society, the Act states that sarcomatoid cells account for 10–20% of mesothelioma cases. Biphasic tumors make up the remainder of instances. In step with the ACTs, the National Cancer Institute notes that mesothelioma cell types can be decided beneath a microscope through what is known as a cytologic examination. Mesothelioma histology and figuring out the cellular type. It's far used in every kind of cancer analysis. Together with mesothelioma, histology is very vital whilst diagnosing and treating mesothelioma by determining which cells are gifts. Docs can form specialized remedy plans that give sufferers the nice threat of accomplishing lengthy-term restoration.